Hey everybody, hope that you're having a good day so far. So what we're going to do for today is basically finish up your Cask of Amontillado reading assignment and then give you some time to review because your Cask quiz will be on Tuesday, so that's our next class. So to get started, you're going to want to review the Cask of Amontillado vocab. So I have created a Quizlet for you, and you can use the flashcards, you can play, they have like a little match game, a gravity game, so you can play different little games to test yourself on the words. So take maybe about 10 minutes to do that, just to give yourself a chance to refresh your memory on the words. All of the vocab words will be on the quiz, so you really want to make sure that you know them. Next, give you about 10 or 15 minutes to finish that Cask of Amontillado reading assignment that we were working on last time. If you remember, it is a Google Slide document that you will fill out, and the text is on one side, and you complete the questions and the activities on the left-hand side. So make sure that you are completing all of the activities. This is worth 41 points, so it is a pretty big assignment because we have combined our reading questions with our post-reading questions into this one bigger assignment. So that is going to be the next thing that you will do. Hopefully you only need about 10 or 15 minutes to complete that because you should have already made a good dent in it on Tuesday. Okay. Let me get back to our announcement for today. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to do today is this Cask of Amontillado digital escape room. So this is just a fun way to review what you have learned about Cask so far. So this is a quiz, but it's set up to have unlimited attempts, so you can take it as many times as you need to, and it's just 5 questions. And it has clues. So if you are familiar with an escape room, right, they lock you in a room and you have to find clues and codes to be able to escape from the room. So this is a similar setup, but it's a digital escape room. So you're going to click here and you can enter the quiz before or after you click there. It doesn't matter, but we'll enter it here real quickly. Okay, so the digital escape room looks like this. And all of these pictures are links, and they take you to different clues. Some of them you might have to use together. Some you might have to complete an activity. There's some where you have to make a copy of a document and you, like, for example, you order the events in the story or you answer questions in the story. So it's just a review of some different, like, narrative devices, the structure of the story, etc. So once you have found your answers, you're going to be looking for a 5-letter clue, a 10-letter clue, a 4-digit clue, so that's numbers, a 9-digit clue, and then an 11-letter word. And you're not going to use this Google form over here, okay? Don't use that. You won't get any credit if you use that. So you want to go to the quiz that's on Canvas, and I have the same things there. 5-letter word lock, all caps. 10-letter word lock, all caps. So you write in what you think are your answers, and then you hit submit. And it will tell you which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong. If you got 10 out of 10, then congratulations, you broke out of the room and you saved Fortunato from Montresor, right? This is just obviously just a fun little play on the plot. If you get less than 10 out of 10, then that means that you got one of them wrong, and it will show you which ones you got wrong. It won't give you the correct answer, but it'll show you what you got wrong. So then you can go back and try again, okay? So that is our review for the quiz. And then just one last reminder that if you haven't finished your article of the week for this week yet, that you will want to complete that and get that turned in by midnight. It is due every Friday when we have a complete week of school. So we were here Monday through Friday, so we have an article of the week that is due today. I have also listed on here, just as an FYI, our Cask of Amontillado quiz will be Tuesday the 6th. I also sent an email out to you and your parents so that you are aware of that. If you have an issue where you can't take the quiz on that day for some reason, please let me know ahead of time. Like if you know for sure that you're going to be traveling, you're going to be in the car, let me know ahead of time so that we can figure something out for you. If you just don't take it, I'm going to assume that you just are not taking it. So make sure that if there's a reason behind it that you're letting me know. Because for our in-person students, if they don't take a quiz, they get a 0 on it if they don't take it the day that it's assigned. So we really want to make sure that, while we understand that things come up as a virtual student, we still want you to be taking the quizzes on the same day that the in-person students are. So if you have questions, Zoom link is right here, or you can send me an email or a Canvas message at any time, and I will be more than happy to help. I hope that you all have a wonderful weekend.